Halo semua, kali ini kita akan membahas tentang listing dan sequence. So let's study together about listing and sequence. Welcome to the class. What is listing and sequence? Jadi, apa sih listing and sequence itu sendiri? Listings definition. In the listing form, the writer will list supporting sentences, the purpose of which is to explain the main idea of the writing. This pattern provides a list of details or examples to support a general statement. Jadi, dalam bentuk listing, penulis akan membuat daftar kalimat pendukung, yang tujuannya adalah untuk menjelaskan ide utama tulisan. Pola ini menyediakan daftar rincian atau contoh untuk mendukung pernyataan umum. Kata kunci atau frasa kunci. Di sini ada many, several, a number of, a variety of, a few, and kinds of. Kata atau frasa petunjuk, for example, for instance, first, second, another, also, beside, in additions, final, last, and most important. Oke, lanjut ke contoh dari listing. In many countries, there are many kinds of punishments for the corruptors. Some countries use the jail punishment for the corruptors and make sure they will stay a long time in jail. A few countries in Asia like to use the death penalty for that bully, and others prefer to cut their hand for the punishments. All the sentences after the main idea, in many countries there are many kinds of punishment for the corruptors, are all lists that support or give details to the main idea, such as some, a few countries, and others all explain the main idea in the sentence. Jadi, semua kalimat setelah ide utama, in many countries, there are many kinds of punishment for the corruptors, adalah daftar yang mendukung atau memberikan rincian pada ide utama seperti some, a few countries, dan yang lainnya. Oleh karena itu, ini menjelaskan ide utama dalam kalimat tersebut. Sekarang kita masuk ke understanding the sequence. Apa itu sequence? In the sequence formula, the writer usually gives words that follow one another. For example, in the person by Jarvie or in the history. Usually, in the main idea, there is a story or event that is explained further. Jadi, dalam formula sequence, penulis biasanya memberikan kata-kata yang mengikuti satu sama lain, misalnya dalam biografi seseorang atau dalam sebuah sejarah. Biasanya dalam gagasan utama terdapat cerita atau peristiwa yang dijelaskan lebih lanjut. In this pattern, the steps of a process are described sequentially followed by its time sequence. Sequencing refers to the identification of a components of a story, the beginning, middle, and end. Dalam pola ini, langkah-langkah suatu proses dijelaskan secara berurutan, diikuti dengan urutan waktu. Pengurutan mengacu pada identifikasi komponen-komponen cerita, mulai dari awal, tengah, dan akhir. Di dalam sequence juga terdapat keyword or phrases dan signal words or phrases. Pada kata kunci atau frasa kunci terdapat kata begin, account, story, process, history, and sequence. Dalam signal words or phrases words, first, second, then, next, after, while, since, then, soon, finally, at last, in 1965, last June, later, over time, the next steps, and the following week. Sekarang kita lihat contoh dari sequence. I was born in Aceh in 1993. In 1999, I went to elementary school. Then, in 2006, I went to junior high school. 3 years later, I was studying in high school. After that, in 2011, until now, I'm studying in Unsyah Banda Aceh. Di sini kita bisa melihat mengenai peristiwa yang terjadi dan juga urutan waktu kejadian. Let's discuss and analyze. Firstly, pour a bowl of water into the saucepan, turn on the stove. After that, open one pack of instant noodles, take out the seasoning and pour it into a plate. Next, when the water is boiling, put the noodles into the saucepan for 2 until 3 minutes. Then, turn off the stove. Put the noodle out and put it on the plate with the seasoning. Stir them well. After stirring the noodles and the seasoning, you can add some chili to make it more spicy. Finally, the delicious instant noodle is ready to eat. Pada bagian ini merupakan listing, yang mana daftar rincian dari ide utama how to make a noodle atau bagaimana cara membuat mie. Sedangkan pada teks kedua, Janet 42 noticed a bump on the side of her nose while looking in the mirror. Then her husband convinced her to see the doctor. Then for the next 3 weeks, Janet put the spot on her face, kept over and bled repeatedly. 2 days later, things got weird, but she didn't want to go to the hospital just yet. First, she assumed that it was a harmless pimple. At last, she had to take a surgery to remove a dime-sized chunk on her nose. Finally, Janet was cancer-free, but still had to visit her dermatologist twice a year. Ini merupakan sequence, sebab menjelaskan mengenai peristiwa yang terjadi dan memiliki time sequence atau urutan waktu kejadian. Thank you for having this lesson today.